Hello, aspirant. First of all, you have to excellent in your daily answer writing. First, understand the target, and then you can keep on your answer writing practice. You have to use the planner to track the daily goals. Start slow and build momentum. There is a consistency and intensity is required. So you have to start slowly and build it faster. So and avoid burnout. Take 1 to half days of per week. So because there is a limited time, so you have to practice more on mains answer writing and also practice at least one full GS MOOC every 10 days once. That is very much important. And also use a 3 hour study blocks, that is Pomodoro technique in this 90 to 30 split, that is it's required. So first of all, what is a daily writing targets? That is a GS answer writing. You have to write 3 to 5 questions daily. For essay, at least one essay per week. For ethics case study, at least 2 to 3 case studies per week. For optional, you have to uh, write the previous year questions, 2 to 3 questions per topic. That is important for your daily writing targets. So these are the important target for your GS, essay, ethics, and also the optional. For the phase, you have to cut down 3 phases, like phase 1 like 1 to 30 days, phase 2 is 31 to 60 days, phase 3 is 61 to 90 days. First phase, you have to build your writing habits, that is 3 answers. That is a very much important. Every day you have to write 3 answer writing, and also one case study or one previous year question paper. So that is in your phase 1, that is of 1 to 30 days. And the phase 2, you have for the 31 to 60th day, you have to structure and increase your speed. That is very much crucial. And also you have to make it 5 answer, not a 3. For the first phase, you written 3 answers. So the second phase, you have to increase your speed. So you have to increase the structure, and also you have to add on all the add-ons which I said earlier video. So you have to do the add-ons, and also you can write 5 answers from GS and also the optional, and one essay per week. In the phase 3, that is around that is the 61 to 90th day, that is a full length preparation is required. That is a one full length test is per day, and also from the GS or the optional, and every 2 to 3 days. So it's required at least 2 to 3 days once you have to write one full length test, and also regular short answers you have to write as it is possible. So this is your 3 phases of preparation. The first phase, that is a day 1 to 30, you have to cover what you have to cover. First of all, that is a GS 1 to 4, you have to cover the static syllabus with the short notes. For the optional, you have to finish at least 50 to 60% of your paper 1 and also the paper 2. For the essay, you have to write one full essay per week. That is important. For the ethics, you have to start with the definitions, thinkers, and also the case study. There is a every week you have to do this manner, and also writing the previous year question paper. You have to practice the 3 answers daily from the previous year question paper. That is crucial for your first phase. In this first phase, you have to concentrate on the GS, optional, essay, ethics, and also answer writing in this manner. In your phase 2, that is a second phase, 31 to 60 days, you have to do your GS, that finish the content and also begin your revision. That is required. Revise, revise, revise is our UPSC mantra. You have to follow that. You have to cover the optional, that is a complete full syllabus with, and also you can practice your previous year question paper. For optional, you have to concentrate more on your previous year question paper. And essay, attempt both philosophical and also current based topics. So you have to prepare both the topics simultaneously, and also you have to concentrate more on the ethics case studies. For the ethics, you have to concentrate more on the case studies and also the definition value. So you have to do the answer writing, and for answer writing, you have to increase 3 to 5 answers daily. So and also you have to do one mock test from GS or optional. So every 3 days once you have to do one full mock test or optional test, and also every day you practice 5 answers, and you also increase your speed. This is an eye opener for your UPSC preparation. And for the third phase, that is a final phase, that is 61 to 90 days. In this phase you have to revise that second and third time for the GS paper. Optional, you have to do 3 to 4 full mock test and revise the short notes. For the essay side, you have to write 2 essays per week under time constraint, because ethics you have to practice full paper every 10 days. So that is very much important. And writing, you have to do highly possible alternate GS and also optional full test. Focus on the feedback, that is very much important, because you have to get your feedback from your mentor or any seniors. That is very much crucial, because you are not aware of your own mistakes. So the comments are very much important, and you have to need to implement on this comment without any hesitation. So focus your mission and vision. The momentum of mains is very much important. It is $1 million in your life, so you have to concentrate more on these 3 phases. And this extensive study will help you to crack your mains. It's very much possible manner, and also proper study or learning is required. So you have to looking to learn the key areas, and also you have to give exponential part for the key essential like essay ethics topics. So this is a important, and also you have to do the all the things in pipeline with small breaks. Thank you so much.